Ona Kamugira athiretwo ni ihoru ria gukorwo ari mugeni wa thirikari kwa ihinda ria thikũ ithano hituku. Murugamiri munene wa ruhonge rwa NHIF Geoffrey Mwangi ni arugamitio wira kwa ihinda nginyagia riria cira urio mugumiire ugathikiririo no tuithanio. Itua riri rigikinyanirio ni bodi ya ruhonge rũu iria yamurite Nicodemus Odongo kuyukia giturwa kia Mwangi ari murugamiri wa ihinda mogaruruku makiria magitanywo mwena-ini wa kigina wa ruhonge ruru uria uraramataguo ni Wilbert Kurgat no uria mathitangitwo hamwe na Mwangi. Mwangi arugamirio wira mathaa manini thutha wa mucirithania Francis Andai wa igoti ria guthikiriria macira mao maramari kumurekereria na bodi ya ciringi milioni 1 na kindu kia muigana ta ucio kana ciringi 500,000 mbeca barivari.
Each accused person being be released on bond of Kenya shillings 1 million with one surety of a like sum. 2. In the alternative, each accused person may be released on bail by depositing a sum of Kenya shillings 500,000 in court as bail and provide one contact person who should deposit a copy of his or national identity card or passport.
Andai augite mwena wa thitango ndunaheana itumi cia kuigana kuonania uria eri aya mangithoga uthuthuria uria urathie na mbere mangirekererio na bodi kuria maheirwo mukana wa kuhoria curu mangiagarara mitaratara iria magathikirwo ni igoti.
The accused person shall deposit their passports and other travel documents in court and will not leave the jurisdiction of this court without first making an application to court. And finally, the accused person shall cooperate and abide by any reasonable requirements that may be made of them by the investigating officers as regards further or any other investigations regarding them in relation to this or any other offense related to this one.
Shiro yoete mwerekero uyu thutha wa igoti muthenya wa ira gutianiria ihoya ria mawakiri a Mwangi na Kurgat ria kwenda mahitia maria marakuruhanio na eri aya matianirio makiuga ni mugaru na gatiba ya bururi.
15/17 of 2014, Sachin Sumanbai.
Mwangi na Kurgat maikirio ngono gatano ga kiumia kihituku magituika ni manyitanire kugiria maabitha ruhonge rwa uthuthuria gutabania uthuthuria wa vicina itiganite ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF thutha wa kuhithuka ciringi bilioni 2 ni ciungumitio ruhonge-ini ruru. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.